For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for a product that'll save you money and still deliver quite a decent performance, we've especially singled out the Orion StarBlast 2 4.5 for you as the best budget telescope on the market in 2022. This model can be set up in just a few minutes. It's very practical, nothing too complicated. From an adult beginner to a child, everyone can easily assemble it. The quality of the manufacturing materials leaves you in no doubt that the geniuses of Orion put all their chips into this model. Its ergonomic design allows you to find perfect positions, soft and friendly, so you can make and enjoy your observations. The device combines high-quality Orion StarBlast 2 4.5-inch wide-field parabolic reflector optics with a rugged equatorial tracking mount and a height-adjustable tripod. The key features of this model include its reflector with a wide field that has enough aperture to get great views of the moon, planets, and many bright deep sky objects. In terms of general use, this model is ideal for beginners to test the waters with mirror optics that are large enough to keep you and your family busy looking at them for years to come. The package also includes Shorty 2x Barlow that doubles the magnification of both included eyepieces. You can see the rings of Saturn perfectly, as well as the colors of Jupiter. It's recommended for amateurs as well as professionals. Planetary performance is not as good as the usual 114mm. This is due to the short optical tube. The telescope is harder to focus at high magnifications, and the field of view is too high for a good amount of detail. But deep space performance is where the StarBlast 2 4.5 shines. The wide field of view combined with the 114mm aperture will provide above-average sharpness and brightness with deep space objects. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you want the top bang for the buck, check out the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ, the best value telescope available on the market in 2022. The key reason to buy the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is to get your hands on its impeccable accessories based on the StarSense app. Consisting of the StarSense Explorer universal smartphone station that physically connects to a computer in the StarSense smartphone app, this go-to system is huge. Once you enter the code found in the box in the app, all you have to do is place your smartphone on the base. Select an object from the app's extensive database and arrows will appear on the screen to direct you to that object. You have to move the telescope by hand. It's not a motorized telescope, but it's incredibly easy to do. StarSense may be amazing, but the optics inside the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ are also worth considering. The 4.5-inch aperture Newtonian reflector comes with 1-in and 0.4-in Kellner eyepieces, as well as a 2x Barlow lens, which boosts magnification to 200 times. The device also comes with an aluminum tripod equipped with anti-vibration pads. This telescope is designed for high magnification of bright objects in the night sky. Although the application is very easy to use, it's difficult to place targets in the field of view of the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ. When users finally saw Jupiter, the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ showed a very bright image that was slightly affected by chromatic aberration. The resulting thick purple line around the giant planet's bright disk also extended to 3 of its orbiting moons. This was a minor problem with the Saturn dimmer, and they were able to get a great view of the ringed planet using the 2x Barlow lenses in the box. The high focal length and the small aperture of the StarSense Explorer LT114AZ mean that deep sky objects lack brightness and contrast. Certainly, the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is the most affordable telescope in the Celestron StarSense range. This StarSense model is great and has a respectable performance with the moon and planets. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present to you the Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ, which we can safely say is the best mid-range telescope available on the market in 2022. This telescope is the latest model in the Astromaster series that has spawned the well-known Power Seeker line. The Astromaster is a truly functional telescope for the beginner and intermediate user, with good value for money. The Astromaster 130 EQ telescope is a Newtonian telescope with a focal aperture of 130mm and a focal ratio of f5. Like all Celestron Newtonian models in the Astromaster series, the 130 EQ has a 20mm eyepiece, identical to the Power Seeker. The 10mm Kellner in this Astromaster model works quite well. Earlier models in the commercial Astromaster line came with a cheaper non-removable red dot finder with a switch and glass window that presented some alignment problems. The new Astromaster's models come with a standard viewfinder connected to the barrel in an ad hoc arrangement. A somewhat different location, although more comfortable than the classic finder location in many telescopes. Furthermore, there are barrel rings, Good quality, felt-lined, and DSLR camera compatible. By plugging it into Celestron's logic drive mount, the device will provide good performance in wide-field astrophotography. The AstroMaster 130 EQ telescope is equipped with a lightweight German equatorial mount called the CG3, which is well balanced with a 130mm optical barrel and works well with DSLR cameras. Ergonomically speaking, an equatorial mount like the CG3 is not the most comfortable on a Newtonian telescope like the 130 EQ, although it does allow for odd eyepiece positions. The optical tube rotates smoothly on its rings, but may cause a loss of balance or bias in the telescope's orientation. The CG3 mount comes with slow-motion controls for axis adjustment, with elevation and azimuth adjustments for precise alignment. Although the device lacks a polar finder, as it's designed for simple visual or astrophotographic use, this is not a problem. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about is the Celestron NexStar Evolution 9.25, the best splurge telescope on the market in 2022 in our humble opinion. Celestron is taking a step forward to take its telescopes to the next level with the new NexStar Evolution 9.25 series. The NexStar Evolution 9.25 is the first Schmidt's Cassegrain telescope with integrated Wi-Fi. Forget about the remote control and navigate to the best celestial objects with just a click of your smartphone or tablet. Connect your device to the NexStar Evolution's telescope wireless network and explore the universe with the Celestron mobile app for iOS and Android. Use the planetary interface to view the night sky in real time or list all currently visible celestial objects based on your location and time. The Celestron-created skyline alignment method is integrated into the mobile app so you can be ready to observe in minutes. It offers many well-thought-out and designed technical specifications that combine to give you the best possible experience under the stars. Forget batteries or external power supplies. For the first time in the history of consumer astronomical telescopes, the new Celestron NexStar Evolution 9.25 includes its own integrated lithium-ion battery. You'll be able to enjoy long viewing sessions of up to 10 hours on a single charge. You can even use the USB port for charging. Mounting this telescope is quick and easy thanks to the large ergonomic handles. The steel tripod uses locking knobs to help you level it. The Celestron NexStar Evolution 9.25 includes a light pointer viewfinder, two 1.25-inch Plosi eyepieces, a 1.25-inch zenith prism, and also a traditional control knob. It also includes the sky software that you can use to learn many concepts about the night sky, celestial objects, and how to plan your next observing session. All this in a simple and fun way, recommended for observers who are not familiar with astronomy. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we've reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall telescope available on the market in 2022. And the winner is the Celestron NexStar 8 SE. The first thing we can find in a telescope like the NexStar 8 SE is its Schmidt-Cassegrain brand with 8-inch f10 capacity, an excellent option, although for some it's more recognized as a C8 lens. The coating used is StarBlast XLT with Hyperstar. It's a telescope that has been thoroughly revised, although not much has changed in terms of internals. The optical level is quite solid, with adjustment based through the 3 screws in the secondary mirror. To make the correct focus, the viewfinder must be pointed at a star or an artificial equivalent. The screw mechanism can be replaced by a butterfly mechanism, although these screws can decalcify the endoscope and damage the proper closure of the lid. The lens cap is threaded and quickly blocks the view without moving a telescope even a millimeter. This type of function has been handled by Celestron since 1980. The Celestron NexStar 8 SE optical tube is an 8-inch f10 Schmidt-Cassegrain, also known as C8. The optical sights of the 8 SE are quite good and of high quality. Furthermore, the Celestron NexStar 8 SE offers a dovetail arm, which, while it appears to have no particular use, actually offers stability and is the only balance piece on the telescope. Another element of the NexStar telescope is the focus button, which is located at the bottom of the barrel. The visual range and its optical capacity of this model are truly top tier. The 8-inch aperture of the 8 SE will allow you to do a lot. Within the solar system, it reaches different characteristics in detail, phases of Venus and Mercury, and on the moon, it allows you to see any detail more than a mile away, ridges, faults, valleys, craters, plains, etc. Switching to Saturn, you'll see its rings and the divisions that separate them, the cloud belts and the various moons. Uranus appears with a small turquoise disk, with 2 of its moons. You can also see Neptune and its moon Triton. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best telescopes of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.